Filipino, so we speak Filipino.
I am not Filipino. Sorry, I'm only half.
I'm also half.
You're half?
Yeah.
Half what?
Chat-chat lang.
Sige. Okay, akong Bisayo ng pangutana. Mutuo baka nga kasi Bisaya sa equality. Pantay ito, naglisod na ko. Waitsa! Mutuo baka nga pahingusgan sa atong pinalanggang nasod, sa atong komunidad, ang... Stop na. Kaya ba consider equality?
Can you repeat the question into English because I know what is the answer. Okay.
Okay.
It's a prank.
Okay.
I was born
She's
to be
just
beautiful,
testing my
not
patience.
brainy.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Stress ko's Bisaya. Okay. So again, do you believe that gender equality is being effectively upheld within our community? Why or why not?
Do you believe mo tuo ba ko nga ang gender identity is kanang gipinagbawalan sa komunidad? Am I right or wrong? So, for me, no. Because kitang mga LGBTQ community nga nabuhi diri sa kalibutan is we are free. Gibuhi ta sa Ginoo o gihimo ta sa Ginoo nga manampuson jud ta. Bahalag tomboy ba ka, bayot ba ka, lesbian ba ka, wa tay labot. Basta as long as wala tay gitamakan nga tao ug I thank you.
Okay. All right, judges. Kamu na yung bahala, ha? Nag-isag ako, naglipog ko. Alright, let's call in our next queen. Number 7, Santo Niño. Okay, hi Santo Niño, you're so tall. How are you feeling tonight? Would you like to say hi to your supporters, family, and friends?
Hello to my family there and especially to my boyfriend there. Hi, love! Hi, love. Okay na ka din, love? Hi, Vince. Naniwa.
All right. Queen Santo Niño, please pick one and then give it to me. Okay. Dili, uy. Bawal sis. Okay. Makasabot na mga kag-English.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So your question is the question number 4. If you could create a campaign to raise awareness about an HIV issue, what would it be? Again, if you could create a campaign to raise awareness about an HIV issue, what would it be?
Thank you for a very wonderful question. If I was given a chance to create a campaign about HIV here in our community is we must respect each one of us. Because I firmly believe being an LGBT, we have a lot of discrimination because of our gender identity. But always remember that we must love, accept, and respect of each one of us. Because respect is one of the highest value that everyone deserves to have. It doesn't matter whether you're poor or not, beautiful or not, or part of the LGBTQIA+ community, as long as you should respect others, they will be respected. Because always remember that respect begets respect. Daghang salamat.
Thank you, Queen Santo Niño. Okay, now let's have our next queen, Queen Silot. Queen Silot, murag daghan-daghan yung kag-fans from Gabiuna. Wanna say hi to them? Hi! Okay, please. Pick one. Okay, here we go. So your question is, what is your perspective on the role of LGBT in today's society and how can it be improved? Let me repeat the question. What is your perspective on the role of LGBT in today's society and how can it be improved?
Repeat the question, please.
What is your perspective on the role of LGBT in today's society and how can it be improved?
My perspective was respect. Only respect, because being part of an LGBTQIA+ community, I've been judged because of my gender and discriminated because of being vendor. But despite of those negative thoughts, I'm standing here tonight facing many people in crowd made with pulpitude with a good attitude that no one couldn't have. Thank you.
Thank you, Queen Silot. Okay. Tama nga naman. Every human being deserves respect. Because no matter what the gender is, Ariyan ako, duha po, aagbayot, sige na lang. Pero at least, girespeto gihapon. They were asking in a very nice way. So, yeah. Let's have our next queen, Pila. Queen Pila, would you like to say hi to your family and friends who are watching tonight?
Hi everyone. I just want to thank you. I just want to thank you because sakto ba?
Sakto.
Dahil. Bito nagpasalamat ko kay nangarigid mo kay kung wala mo no kay dili ni siya mahimo kay
Okay ba ka?
Actually, I'm good, but at the same time, it's so nerve-wracking, you know? Nerve-wracking. Because, backstage, I was crying because I thought I wasn't able to be, bitaw ka nang wala ko nag-expect ka na magsuot ko sa top 5 ba because I thought nga kanang dili kay enough akong performance. But thanks God, and not only God, but to the judges who, thank you so much.
Thank you, Queen Pila. Okay, don't worry because you're doing fine. Please pick one. Okay. Ayaw mo din siya kataas. Bisaya, hindi ko kasabot. Okay. Now, here we go. The colors of the LGBTQIA flag hold profound meanings. Red symbolizes life. Orange represents healing. Yellow signifies the sun. Green embodies nature. Indigo stands for serenity. And violet denotes spirit. How do these meanings resonate with your personal experiences, and how can you inspire others through these values? Let me repeat the question once again.
Sure.
Okay.
Ulrich.
Correct. The colors of the LGBTQIA flag hold profound meanings. So ang kanak ko ng flag sa LGBTQIA nga rainbow, naanay mga meaning. Red symbolizes life, kinabuhi. Orange represents healing. Mamaayo kasi mong sakit. Yellow signifies the sun, adlaw. Indigo stands for serenity. Peaceful ba? Harmony. Dapat, And violet denotes spirit. Dili na mga dautan ng espiritu, ha? Spirit, the spiritual part of...
Soul.
Oh, kada. Red, right. How do these meanings resonate with your personal experiences, and how can you inspire others through these values? Ano sa meaning anak ka na? Resonate? Bisaya, ano resonate? kung sa Bisaya mga panultihon, giunsa or unsa kuno ang mga sabay ka na bang naglisto na kung Bisaya, English contact name. Ani na lang day. How can you inspire others through these values? Kana bang, di ba you love the LGBTQIA flag? It has meanings. And I ask you LGBTQIA, live with the flag. Mura na mo kita Pilipino, we live when we die for our flag. And the LGBTQIA flag symbolizes kung unsa ang mga values na di-uphold ninyo. So karon, isip mo sa kamembro sa LGBTQIA, imo nang gi-embrace, imong gidawat ang mga values nga gi-representar sa LGBTQIA. How can you inspire others through these values? Kung saan man imo pag-ignite sa uban?
Thank you for that interesting question. How can I inspire others through LGBTQIA+ flag? Simple, by making the people to love what is LGBTQIA+. So by the word LGBTQIA+ has meaning. So by that, from that word, we can have a smile. Well, children cannot grow and foster. And also, if we could hand in hand together, I think we can rise as it best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Queen, pila-pilahan mo. Wa ko na-inform nga mag-translator man po na ikorong gabion na. Alright, moving forward to our last queen, Upper Yate. Okay. Upper Yate, you don't have a choice because this is our last question. Okay. Yes.
Take a breath first.
Okay. Take a breather. Inhale. Exhale. Ha. You ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Pulbaan ako. What do you think is the biggest misconception people have about LGBTQIA? Again, what do you think is the biggest misconception people have about LGBTQIA?
The biggest misconception to the people about us LGBTQIA+ community is being disregard, because they always think about LGBTQIA+ is that wala siya gibuhat sa Ginoo, wala nag-exist. But I will tell to them that we part of LGBTQIA+ community, we are special. We are made of man and a woman. And that's the one thing that I could say to them. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Queen Upper Yate. There you have it, ladies and friends. Woo!